English listening practice short story. My name is Sarah, and I live in a small town in the United States with my husband and our 2 children. Our town is quiet, and many families know each other. I like living here because life feels calm and safe. Every day, I follow a routine with my family, and it makes me feel happy and comfortable. Our life is not special, but it is full of love and small moments that are important to us. I usually wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning because my children need to get ready for school. The sun is not always up yet, but I like the quiet sound of the morning. I go to the kitchen and make coffee for myself, because coffee helps me feel awake and ready for the day. While the coffee is hot, I prepare breakfast for the family. Sometimes it is eggs and bread, and sometimes it is just cereal and milk. After breakfast, I wake up my children. Their names are Emily and Jack. Emily is 10 years old, and Jack is 8. They do not like to get out of bed quickly, but I talk to them and remind them about school. Emily likes to read before school, so she takes a small book to the table. Jack likes to eat fast and then play with his toys before we leave. My husband, David, also comes to the kitchen and drinks his coffee before work. At 7:30, we all get ready to leave the house. David drives to his office, and I drive the children to their school. The school is not far from our home, so the drive is short. On the way, we talk about the day, their friends, and what they will learn in class. Sometimes they sing songs in the car, and I enjoy listening to them. When we arrive at the school, I say goodbye and wish them a good day. After I drop the children at school, I usually go back home. Some days, I stop at the store to buy food or things we need. I like walking through the aisles and thinking about what to cook for dinner. I do not always buy much, but I feel good when the house has fresh food. When I return home, I put everything away in the kitchen. Then I start cleaning the rooms, because I like a clean house. I wash clothes, make the beds, and sometimes water the plants. Around noon, I take a short break. I usually make a sandwich or a salad for myself. Sometimes I eat while watching a small show on television, and sometimes I listen to music. I like music because it makes me feel calm and happy. After lunch, I check my phone and talk with my sister, who lives in another city. We often send messages to each other about family, food, and our children. Talking with her makes me feel close even if we are far away. In the afternoon, I sometimes go for a walk around the neighborhood. The air is fresh, and I like to see the trees and houses. Some neighbors walk their dogs, and we say hello. I enjoy walking because it gives me energy and helps me think about good things. If the weather is not nice, I stay inside and read a book or do small jobs around the house. I like books about family life, because they remind me of my own days. At 3 o'clock, I go to the school again to pick up Emily and Jack. They run to the car with big smiles, and I am always happy to see them. On the drive home, they tell me about their teachers, their friends, and what they did in class. Sometimes they talk at the same time, and I laugh because it is hard to listen to both. When we get home, they usually eat a snack, like fruit or crackers. After that, they sit down to do their homework. Homework time is sometimes quiet, and sometimes not. Emily likes to write and draw, so she does her homework quickly. Jack wants to play more, so I have to remind him to finish his work. I sit with them and help if they need it. When homework is done, they are free to play outside or watch a little television. I like to see them play together in the yard, because they laugh and run, and it makes the house full of joy. David comes home from work around 5:30. The children run to him and give him a hug. He always looks tired but happy to be home. He changes his clothes and then helps me in the kitchen. We talk about our day while we cook dinner together. Sometimes we make pasta, sometimes chicken, and sometimes soup. We try to sit at the table together every evening, because dinner is our family time. During dinner, we all talk about our day. Emily tells her small stories from school, Jack makes jokes, and David shares something from his office. I like these moments because they keep us close and help us know each other better. After dinner, we all help clean the table. The children sometimes wash small dishes, and I am glad when they want to help. We usually finish dinner time around 7. After dinner, we often do something together as a family. Sometimes we play a board game, sometimes we watch a family movie, and sometimes we just sit and talk. Emily likes to draw pictures and show them to us. Jack likes to build things with small blocks, and we all look at what he makes. These little things make our evenings warm and full of love. When we laugh together, I feel very thankful for my family. At 8:30, it is time for the children to get ready for bed. They brush their teeth and put on their pajamas. Sometimes they ask for one more story, and I read a small book to them. Emily likes stories about animals, and Jack likes stories about cars or adventures. After the story, I kiss them good night and turn off the light. They fall asleep quickly because the day is always busy for them. When the children are in bed, David and I finally have some quiet time. We usually sit on the couch and talk. Sometimes we drink tea, and sometimes we just relax. We watch the news or a small show together. It feels nice to end the day with him. At 10 o'clock, we go to bed too, because the next day will come quickly, and we need to be ready again. Our days are simple, but I love the rhythm of them. Life in our family is full of small routines, but each one is special. From morning coffee to bedtime stories, every part has its own meaning. We may not travel often or do big things every day, but we share time, love, and care. That is what makes our life rich and beautiful. I am proud of my family, and I feel lucky to have them with me. This is my daily life, and it is a life I love.